Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today me and Karen are going to go into Lancashire and we're going to Donkey Creek Farm caravan site. There's been the Tour Fest Northwest for the last couple of days and we've managed to get on for the last night. So we're going to nip across there and have a meet up with people and fellow YouTubers and hopefully have a good time. We're actually there for 4 nights, but we'll only be there for the 1 night for the Tour Fest. But if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video and we'll see you when we get to Donkey Creek. Yeah, further on. Just on the hill, alright? Yeah. See you in a bit. Yeah, will do. See you in a bit. Right, here we are, we're at Tour Fest Northwest at Donkey Creek. We didn't arrive till today. We managed to book it last minute, but we're on the last night of things going off. But we'll had a good meet up with some people today. So we'll get ready and go to the evening entertainment. Karen's done a bit of baking, because there's a bake-off competition tonight, so we'll see how she goes with scones. So Karen's been busy this afternoon baking scones. She's exhausted. She's not happy with them neither, are you? No, not your best. Thumbs down. You might win a prize, you don't know.
No, don't think so.
There's some good bakes there though, isn't there?
We have to tidy up because Tony comes to the show.
Yeah, make sure we've done a good job, doesn't he? Did you grind this morning? Did you go grind? You tidied up.
Racing competition, do you think you've won? No. You don't think you've won? One of them things, isn't it?
Deb, are you cutting?
Karen's cut hers already.
Plus, because we're on about doing another one next year, aren't we? No. Have we not? No. I thought it was. Never again.
It's tasting time.
Haven't you ladies had cream tea already today? Yeah. Oh, you feeling sick now? You're going to be high as a kite, aren't you?
Judges are tasting.
We're not presentation as well,
Get some pasties, yeah. Next year's pasty.
I can't believe no one made you a pie.
Somebody else.
They'd have won straight away, don't they?
Could be here all night.
You eat it, you just save it for after. It's great fun. I'm having little minutes. That's what you do. I've never watched this program. Yeah. Oh, I don't go to truck stop. There's no truck stop here. Nearest one to there is Echo Factory. Yeah, do you not want that pasta? Are you for real? Give me one half, haven't you? That's right. Not me. Stop now, she said. Third prize. No, this was a vote 2 against 1, wasn't it? Debbie. Go on, Deb.
Cheese onion pasties.
Oh, cheese onion pasties.
Third prize. No, this was another 2 against 1, wasn't it? So,
Is it 2 women against 1 every time?
no.
Is it not?
Me.
Alright.
I was actually voting against my wife. It was very dangerous. I was. Good. Well, second prize. Second prize goes to Ian for the
The fruit, yes. Must have my levels.
I've got a jacket.
And the first prize goes to. Go on, you and that's it.
Go on, Deb.
Red Velvet. That was
Red velvet, yeah.
awesome. Oh, is it yours? There you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's a free for all now. Cake time. I've got a couple of thank yous to give out, but first I'd like to say it was nice to meet some fellow YouTubers and some of my subscribers while we're at the Tourfest. I had a nice chat to Bob and Jenny, Trev and Sue from Posh Cats, who very kindly give me one of their mugs and also one of their stickers. It was nice to meet up with the Caravan Addies and also Martin from the Caravan Nut. I'd like to give a personal thank you to Helen and Phil and Young, who have been giving us some very good feedback for our channel, and it's much appreciated. I'm glad it helped you through the lockdown and also the hard times you've been through, which is personal to you. So I'd like to thank you very much for watching and supporting this channel. Thank you very much. Right, so I'm taking this after the Tourfest, so it's the Monday. Everybody went home yesterday. So we're actually on a non-awning pitch. So we could probably swap to an awning pitch, because as you can see, the site's now empty, but we haven't fetched an awning, so what's the point? So that's us there. Reception is up there, and the toilet facilities. So there is a little wildlife lake behind reception, and some more pictures over there. It's barriered entry. It's automatic lift up when you come out, but it's key coded when you enter. I think it registers as your number plate as well. So you have to register your number plate with site before you when you're booking. So once you drive in, you go around and just pull in front of reception, and they assign you your pitch number. So this is like a sports field, playing field, and at the bottom end is where they had the marquees for the Torfest, right at the bottom down there. I didn't actually take much video of that. Your dog walk is up here. Your official dog walk where you can take your dog off the lead, I think. Yes, this is the fenced off one, so you can keep your dog off the lead and let it just run round a bit. There's some chickens up the far end. Hello. I think they might sell eggs in reception, but I'm not sure. Looking at it though, I don't like they get many eggs. I can only see one chicken. Yeah, I think that is still touring, but behind the hedgerow, behind the other ones, that's seasonal pitch, because somebody on YouTube's got a seasonal pitch on there. So that's all new part of the site as well. Right, a little walk to the bottom of the site, and you can overlook an airfield. There's an airfield here as well, which BAE Systems, to do with planes land at times. So we'll have a look so we can find the airport. Yeah, it's got a few little benches for you to sit and relax in. Picnic tables at bottom, around site, some outside reception. We're just over there overlooking this piece of grass. And down here I was told you can go up on the little hillock and see into the airport and see the runway. So we'll have a look. Yeah, so this is an area where your kids can run wild, play football, whatever they want to do. It's a big area. Like I say, we've got plenty of seats and that. So that's looking up to the top of the site. I think there were quite a few videos from here because of there are quite a few YouTubers at this Torfest meetup. So I'll not go too in depth with it. But it's a good field, this one. So that's the airfield. I've only seen one jet come in, a small jet come in this morning, but I've been told there's quite a few coming. Only getting small planes in today. That's a bit bigger. Yes, that's your pot wash. Ladies and gents toilets. Laundry and family and disabled bathrooms. I think through there is the seasonal pitch. Pitches, new ones. And I'm not 100% sure, but I think these might be touring pitches. But I'm not sure. They've got motorhomes as well on. This looks like it's all the seasonal pitches. Like there's boat stories there as well. So that's a little playground. And those must be the temporary toilets. Right, so here we are, going back round to where we are. So that's it, we're back to where we started. Back to our caravan. So this is your motorhome service point. Looks like it's the lift up grids, but if you're on fully serviced anyway, you'd empty your tank into the grey waste and the pitch. So you got your L7 point, and your bins certainly need emptying. They're certainly full. Don't know when bins actually come. So as you can see, they're all fully serviced pitches anyway. So we've got us aqua roll and float in it, and your grey waste there with your electric bollard and water point. It's absolutely ideal. Always giving us a proper air display here, isn't it? Right, it's coming into land now. Is he coming into land? Well, that's a tree for last day. Some fighter jets coming into land. Right, so that completes the little tour of the site. So hope you enjoyed it. There'll be a few more tours on the actual YouTube about this Donkey Creek. Like I said, a lot of YouTubers were here at the Tour Fest meet. So if you like what you've seen, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that little notification bell to tell you when we upload some more videos. So until the next video, we'll say goodbye for now. Bye.